First up right now, we start with the latest on the coronavirus outbreak, and we've seen the virus push hospital capacity to its limit in Fairfield County, and experts now say the surge in Hartford County is just weeks away. Good evening, everybody, and thanks for joining us right now at 11 o'clock. We start tonight with 3 things you should know about the pandemic at 11. We've learned that 448 people in Connecticut have lost their lives now from the coronavirus. That is up by 68 from yesterday. There are more than 10,000 confirmed cases of the virus now in our state, and confirmed cases in the capital city have surpassed 300 in just a matter of days. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is live right now at the Convention Center in Hartford with a look at what's being done to get ready for what's possibly heading in their direction there. Matthew?
Well, Mark, the work here begins tomorrow at 7 a.m. and when it is done, this convention center will be home to the largest outflow of coronavirus patients in the state.
Like a storm that works its way north, the coronavirus is taking that same path through Connecticut. But unlike a storm, officials have weeks to prepare for this.
We need to do everything we can to be ready. The worst thing that we could do is under-prepare and be caught off guard.
As the number of cases and hospitalizations in Hartford County grow, plans to brace for the expected surge of patients are being executed. Tomorrow, the National Guard will assemble 646 beds for coronavirus patients at the Connecticut Convention Center.
This is not for ICU patients. This is not for people that require ventilators. This is for people that maybe just aren't well enough yet to recover at home, but they still need some sort of support like IV or oxygen.
Officials say the space will look similar to this field house at Southern Connecticut State University. Simple beds with bedpans. Hartford Healthcare will provide the majority of the staffing for the convention center operation, but since this crisis began, all the hospital networks have been working as one, and that will be reflected here.
We're probably going to be sharing a lot of space amongst different hospitals as we go on.
The logistics of getting patients to the convention center are not being shared with us, but we do know Hartford's first responders, the firefighters, police officers, and staff working directly with the public, will not be here. They will take refuge in the 200 dorm rooms set aside at the University of Hartford.
It's not the kind of thing where you go back and forth between there and home. If you choose to be there, the expectation is that you stay there to avoid potentially exposing your family.
Now, we wanted to know when this convention center could possibly start taking patients, and that is all based on the capacity at the hospitals. We asked the mayor for the latest of the capacity at Hartford Hospital and St. Francis. He did not have that information, but he says he's hoping that this convention center is never used, but he is glad that it is here just in case. That's the latest. Live here in Hartford, Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.